You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. Two different ways of pronouncing it. British English pronunciation is usually as indigestible, indigestible, stress on the gest syllable. Now, the American English pronunciation is usually pronounced as indigestible with a die syllable. Indigestible, American pronunciation, US, or indigestible, British English pronunciation, how to pronounce correctly. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.